Hi everybody, Mrs. Porter here, and I'm talking to students today a little bit about some applications we'll be using for remote learning. So in addition to your Google Classroom, we want you to know about an application that is called Jamboard. So I'm going to show you how to put Jamboard, which is an app, onto your phone, personal device. Most kids are using their phones these days. So using Jamboard with your phone is pretty easy. The first thing you do is got to get to know that symbol there. It is an application that is provided by Google, and it will work really nicely with your Google Meets, your Google Classroom, your Google email. Everything is all Google all the time at CPS right now. And Jamboard helps you interact and engage with your teacher and classmates. You're going to install the Jamboard app on your personal device. Most of us are using our phones. And that's pretty easy to do. So you would go into your Play Store, or you will go into your iTunes store, and you will find it in the App Store. It's a free app, so you won't have to pay anything for it. But you do want to install it. Give those permissions from your device. And remember that because it is for school, even though it's your own personal phone, you want to make sure that it is hooked up to your CPS account. So when it asks you which one do you wish to share permissions with, you want to make sure you're using that account that is the @cps.edu. So I put a heart next to mine when it was asking me which one do I wish to connect. I will always make sure that I'm using my CPS. So just as a reminder, I do have 2 emails connected to my telephone, but the one for school is always the @cps.edu. Why do I have to enter all of this all over again? Well, CPS wants to keep you safe from hackers, and they own the account. So Jamboard has to have their permission. If you don't remember your username or password, please contact Mr. Morales, our tech co at Curie High School. His email is listed, jgmorales@cps.edu. If you forgot your password or answers to your security questions, Mr. Morales is also the person who can help you. And lastly, I still can't get my device to sync. It's okay to put your comments and questions in the chat during the Google Meet sessions, but you can continue to contact Mr. Morales at our tech co, and he will eventually get to your request. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great school year. See you in September.